הג'יפה הזו אני לא אצלם אותך, חשבתי שהוא יהיה הקטן.
So it's eat while the game's good, eh? Or die of starvation.
But this will keep them going for a while, won't it?
Yeah. It should do. Hopefully they'll be here for another day or two. Hopefully.
So you're doing a lot of searching.
Hopefully, yeah. There's always sometimes they just will leave it after a while and disappear.
Where's the other lion gone?
I think it went back down to the others. If you'd like, we can go down and have a look at them.
Where's the other female?
Yeah, she followed.
She went down there as well.
It's only her.
She had a belly full of them. This one, her belly's not as big as the last.
So these cubs belong to this one, yeah? Probably.
Yeah, these three I think belong to this one. There's another three that belong to another female. But I don't know where they are or where she is.
So the others are close enough. If she gets into trouble, they'll hear it straight away and come back.
How do you mean the others are close enough?
Well, you know, if another animal comes and...
Oh, for these cubs here you mean?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, of course, but there won't be a problem though. The mother can protect these cubs easy. If a hyena did come along, it would perhaps want to kill the cubs, or will attempt to, but because of her presence, a single hyena will not take that chance. A hyena's got no chance against an adult lion.